Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp 2026 how to build walls. So first I will use the rectangle tools, and the next you can set for size, like I will set into 3000 comma 3000. The next we use the offset tools to offset, like in here. Set for the offset distance to 150. So this is for the wall size. And the next, you can use the pull tools to create walls. You can click here, move to the top, and we set like to 1500 for wall height. Okay, very easy. You also can create again, like I will create the hole by using the rectangle tools from this point to the top here. You can use the pull tools, click, hold, and then you can move here, release to create the hole. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp 2026 how to build walls.